The following video is rated T for teen. It doesn't matter if the game being played is rated E for everyone. The fact of the matter is the commentary itself will not be child-friendly at times. So it's best to kind of put this at the beginning so YouTube doesn't flag this as child-friendly. This is not child-friendly. So if you are a child, click off. If not, let's get into this fucking video. And we're back with some more LEGO Jurassic World. So, in the last episode, we did the Eric Kirby level, as well as clearing out Eric Kirby's hideout. And now we are going to the birdcage, which is the last level of Eastless, or of Jurassic Park 3. After that, we will be, after the birdcage, which is this level, we'll then be,
find a great dino fat just down there.
cleaning up the, for the last of the collectibles in this area. I think, like, it's saying in, like, coming to the end of the game. Like, we're getting close to the 100%, which getting to the 100% is always like a really fun thing to do. It's an achievement and accomplishment that I don't think a lot of people don't really go for in LEGO games. And I get why a lot of people don't go for the 100%. It's just because it's like, oh, they're not completionists. However, I think, like, LEGO games, unless, like, you really did not enjoy it, you should go for the 100% in the LEGO games. And I'm not saying that to sound like a dick. I'm saying that more of LEGO games are probably one of the easiest types of games that you can do if you wanted to be a completionist. However, there is one main kind of game that I'm going to, or one LEGO game that I'm going to say would be an exception, and that will be, or at least of the LEGO games I've played, the exception would be LEGO Star Wars, the Skywalker Saga. I'm going to say with 100% certainty that the Skywalker Saga, though it is a very easy LEGO game to complete, it is a very long and tedious game to try and 100%. And whenever I get to the Skywalker Saga, that one will be a actual, I am going to be looking into fully, like, actually sitting down and editing that game a lot. Because there is a lot in that game. Okay. Not gonna question that. So a lot of Lego games with the open world aspect, yeah, they can be a little long and tedious to try and 100%. I know for whenever I get around to doing Lego City Undercover, whenever I want to try and actually do the the open world collecting for that game, oh my god, if I could just, please, thank you. Yeah, for that, for Lego City Undercover, that one is going to be one where I'm probably going to start actually practicing, like, doing the editing and kind of getting proper jump cuts. Because though it is not, like, as big or massive as Lego Star Wars The Skywalker Saga, it still has, like, a lot of open world collectibles. And that's kind of like one of the downsides with a lot of the these open world Lego games. They tend to pack the games like a lot with collectibles, and be like, oh yeah, you can collect this, you can collect that, you can collect all you can collect a lot of stuff, which isn't a bad thing. Like, having a lot of collectibles in an open world game allows the player to kind of be like, the creators of this game put so much attention to detail, it's insane. It helps the player get, like, some form of appreciation. And if the players are actively looking for Easter eggs or little secrets, and they find them, then that just kind of makes the world a bit more fun. But then there's adding too much. And Lego Star Wars The Skywalker Saga is a game, or is a Lego game that has too much for collectibles. I can't remember the numbers off the top of my head, and I'll probably bring them up, like, whenever I do get into that game. There's, like, I think it is, like, close to 1,000. I'm not going to call them gold bricks. I think they refer to them as Kyber bricks. Or Kyber bricks. But, like, they put a lot in that game. And I think I was rocking, like, 90 hours, 120. When we're in the cutscene, I'll pull it up and look how many hours it took me to complete the game. And I did have to use a guide for that, for the game, like, for the Skywalkers. Oh my god. I'm just to save a bit of time with jumping and stuff. Let's go back to Billy. There we go. In case I messed up the jump again, having to jump between the pilots and Owen, that would have just been a bit too much. You're already Owen, so okay, we need get off Billy, go to Compy. there is still a good amount here. Yeah, so Lego Star Wars The Skywalker Saga is a Lego game that has too much. I hate to say that because, like, I did enjoy the game. It's just, like, I have to be honest with when I say, yeah, there was way too much in terms of collectibles for that game. But it wasn't really that much of a bad thing because they had, like, so many different planets. Like, every major planet that they went to in all the movies, they were in the Skywalker Saga. No, we do not want to do that yet. Let's go to Mr. DNA. Mr. DNA, shoot you. And we want to go down to here. Oh. Well, that was easy. Okay. Keep Mr. DNA as Mr. DNA. Okay, I just... Okay, now I have to... I don't think there was any mini kits on this level. Like, at this point. If there were, then shit. I'd have to play through the entire level again. I think if there were, it was that one. Grab on, kid! Okay. While this is going on, I'm gonna look at my Steam account real quick. Lego. Okay, 82 hours. I got like 82 hours in the game. And that's when I got 100%. I'm still missing like 3 Steam achievements. And I feel like next time I play through the game, which would be for my next 100%ing of it, which I'll record. That'll be when I Spinosaurus. I'll try to get those last 3 because I think they're just like the achievements really like are off the top of my head. I'm trying to remember 10 disguises, which is basically I killed 10 stormtroopers. I put on their armor like a sick sadistic fuck. Ride every animal or every different animal on every planet. And what was the last one? What was the last one? Oh no, it's just 2. I'm just missing 2. Yeah. Okay, create 25 disguises as a hero character. So basically disguise yourself 25 times. And then the other one is the ride every unique animal on every planet or across the galaxies, which that one's is the one where it's like, oh god, I would have to keep track of every single thing. So I think if I do another playthrough, that's when I'll do it to get those last 2, because I don't think So like a proper road to 100 would be getting every... No, I'm not even going to say that. I am not even going to say that. Because if I say that, then that means whenever I play the Lego games on the Xbox, I'm gonna need to actually go on like an achievement hunt, and I'm not an achievement hunter. Well, I'm not an achievement hunter like oh right, okay. Yeah, because we don't have... I don't really want to do the rest of this boss fight, truth be told. So I'm gonna just grab this. And that's everything? Yep. Yeah, I don't want to finish this boss fight, truth be told. Because some boss fights are just like, I don't want to. Yeah, I'm surprised this one didn't give the pterodon, truth be told. Oh, this was the Spinosaurus. Then what dinosaur did the landing site give? Amber brick. I'm gonna pull this up right now, because I don't, because I actually don't remember. The Corthosaurus. The fuck is the Corthosaurus? We're gonna... Is the Corthosaurus a medium? Or small? Gallimimus, Pachycepa, baby Triceratops, baby T-Rex, baby Stego, medium. The fuck do you do? I guess you just look cool. Okay. I have no clue what that dice are actually supposed to do. Like, it looks like kind of like a little duck from Land Before Time. I always hate that. I always hate seeing like a slightly like the camera clipping into the world. I hate seeing that. All right. So we are going to be going to, or not going to, we are going into the aviary. Because inside the aviary, we have a bunch. I mean a bunch of gold bricks that we need to try and get. Be able to. It'd be a lot of help if I can actually fucking jump across. Wait. Not like that. Well, we'll try those jumps later. I feel like this is going to be one of those ones where it's like, yeah, I'm going to be here for a while just because I want the pterodon. This is okay. I have to try and get used to like these controls. Oh wait, actually, wait, no. These controls are fine actually. These are the same. Feel like the same flight controls with in Xenoverse actually, with A being the kind of the descend button, at least on my controls. Well, actually, A is, yeah, B. It would technically be B on the Xbox controller. This is a long flight. How long? Right there. If I can land, please land. Oh my god. Land properly. There we go. We're supposed to just get this thing out, right? Oh crap. Bring it out. Hello? Pterodon? guessing. I don't know about that one, truth be told, as of right now. Oh, and we can't even check how many we have left. I'm just going to take a random guess and say I'm going to have to try to jump across. Like, if I can actually... There we go. Okay, free play. We want Nick Van Owen. This way, nothing. Okay. So now... Oh god. Oh crap. Baskets, okay. The fuck? Four, 5, 6, 7, 8. There we go. Now, try to get the hell out of here. Because I think that's... No. Game. Please. Because I don't see any more. Yeah. Yeah, I don't see any more gold brick things. So I think that's it, right? Yeah, that's Isla Sorna. All done. So that means in the next episode, we'll be getting started with Jurassic World. I don't really know what order to do things for Jurassic World, truth be told. And by order, I mean, do we want to do... Well, it'll probably be like the gyrosphere we can probably get after we do Gyrosphere Valley. We probably get the Shady Grove done after we get Out of Bounds done. That's Under Attack. That's... No, it's Welcome to Jurassic World. Then Main Street Showdown. Okay. Yeah, I'll probably figure out how exactly I want to do Jurassic World itself. I'll probably figure that out as we play through it. But with that, we are done with Jurassic Park 3. We are now in the final stretch at 86%. We have 41 more mini kits. We have 6 more photo stations. We have 3 more sick dinosaurs. 5 more workers in peril. 3 more ambers. 2 more bonus levels. 9 more races. 3 more red bricks. So we're almost there. We are getting very close to finishing up the 100%ing this game. And it's slowly setting in that, like, what, for the past month? Yeah, I'd say about a month of, like, recording stuff and then uploading. I'd say it's been probably about a month and a half. We're getting there. So with that, I'll see you guys in the next one. Like, comment, sub, peace.